To remove and replace the spark plug on your P3200iE generator, follow these steps. Ensure the generator is on a flat, level surface and allow it to cool completely. Loosen the two maintenance cover fasteners and remove the cover. Clean the area around the base of the spark plug. Carefully remove the spark plug cap. Using the spark plug wrench supplied in the toolkit, remove the spark plug. Inspect the electrode for wear and carbon buildup. The electrode should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. Replace if the electrodes are worn or if the insulator is cracked, chipped, or fouled. Carefully clean the spark plug with a wire brush if reinstalling. Using a wire-type feeler gauge, measure the spark plug electrode gap. If necessary, adjust the gap to specification. Ensure the spark plug sealing washer is in good condition. Thread the spark plug in by hand to prevent cross-threading. Then fully torque using the spark plug wrench. A loose spark plug can overheat and damage the engine, while over-tightening the spark plug can damage the plug threads. Reinstall the spark plug cap and ensure it is fully seated. Reinstall the maintenance cover and tighten the fasteners until fully seated. Start the engine using the recommended procedures in your owner's manual to ensure proper operation of the engine. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit PolarisPower.com.